Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 13, which says tangent and a normal are drawn at p 16, 16. So we have given a point from there which is going. So next we have given an equation of parabola y square equals to 16x. It says that these intersect at the axis of the parabola at A and B. A and B are the 2 points A and B. 2 points where it is intersecting at x-axis, y-axis respectively. If C is the center of the circle, through the points P, A and B, P, A and B. If C is the center of the circle, through the points P, A and B, the angle CPB. So we have to find this angle. Tan of this angle. Tan equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Finding this, we will simply see. So we have been given a point from the normal is drawn. So equation of the parabola is y square equals to 16x, and slope of the tangent dy by dx equals to 16 divided by 2y equals to 8 by y. So equation of the tangent is y minus 16 equals to half into x minus 16. We will further simplify. 2y minus 32 equals to x minus 16. X minus 2y plus 16 equals to 0. So now we will follow for the equation of normal. Y minus 16 equals to minus 2 in bracket x minus 16. 2x plus y minus 48 equals to 0. Tangent and normal intersect at the axis of the parabola as we see in the figure. A is the point minus 16, 0 and B is the point 24, 0. We will find the slope for the theta. Slope of AP is given by 16 minus 0 divided by 16 plus 16. Then 16 minus 0 upon 16 minus 24. With further simplification, give minus 1. So AB is the diameter of the circle as it is given in the question, and C is the center of the circle, 4, 0. We're gonna further simplify for tan equals to sine upon cos. So 16 minus 0 divided by 16 minus 4, which is equals to 4 by 3. And for the cos, 16 minus 0 divided by 16 minus 24 equals to minus 2. So we will divide both of them and simply we will get the answer, which is 2. So we will go with answer number D. Thank you.